Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. Most welcome to my English first paper class. First of all, before starting my class, I want to ensure from you, Baba, please confirm me that your screen the screen and my voice is clear to you. Please write comments. It's clear, okay. Okay, so screen and the voice is clear. Thank you very much. Now 47 student. Um, Actually it's 3-2. Walaikum Assalam, Sharmin Akhtar, Ahnaf, Nusrat Nigar. Today we will discuss about Unit 1, Attention and Please. Page number 1 to 9. Though we will not study, we don't need to study all the topics which we need. We will discuss that one. Okay. Good afternoon, Shuporna, Saida Afroz, Nobo, Arifa, Nobo. Everybody, you are writing me screen are clear. Screen is clear, miss, and miss, I think sound is little low. How come sound is little low? Okay. Actually, I'm not starting yet to talk loudly because I'm waiting 1 minute more. Hello, everyone. Chanapal, thank you. Um, so you are seeing on the screen that unit 1 attention comma please. The teacher is teaching students. You are seeing that. Walaikum Shihab Kapoor Shakur. Shakur, you are here. Thank you for joining the class. Sneha Ghosh, thank you for confirming me that everything is clear. See that on the screen, you are seeing that attention, the teacher is talking to the students. Basically, this is an English class, and here we also learn how to give the direction to reach any places. Railway station, you will see the picture here also. Railway station. Here you are watching also learning outcomes. From unit 1, if you read, Sakib sir, thank you for joining the class with me. Um Fatiha 80, Nosin Brownia, thank you. See, from the unit 1, if we learn the things or if you read this unit 1, what we learn? We will learn after we have studied this unit, what we will learn? We will be able to follow instructions, commands, requests, announcements, and act accordingly. That means how to give an instruction to other person. You can learn that things, and how you will give commands to other person. You can learn this. How to make requests to other person in English. That thing also will be clear from this unit. Announcements also, how to give you announcement, you will learn. Thank you, Smile sir, for joining with me and for your kind coordination and cooperation. And act accordingly. After getting the instructions, how you will act, how you will do the work, or how you will give reply to that request or to that commands, you will learn that things also. Use sounds, stress, and intonation. Intonation, the uh, pause according to the situation, how you stress, how you give the emphasize when you talk to some sound or some letter, you will stress or you will give focus or you will give more pressure when you pronounce that letter. That letter means ABC or whatever. You will learn that things. Ask and answer question, you will learn how to ask the and how to give the answer, how to reply the answer questions also you will learn. Now here we go, the lesson 1 in the classroom. See the picture, you see here is a dialogue. Here you will see a very small dialogue. Teacher and students. Teacher, good morning and welcome everybody. Students, good morning, teacher. Teacher, are you ready for the class? Students, yes, teacher. Teacher, have you got your new books? Students, yes, teacher, we have. See the answer, yes, comma, teacher, comma, we have, full stop. So in the dialogue, you will see that many kinds of punctuation we use here. So in the dialogue, you will learn how to write the dialogue, and you will learn how to use the punctuation marks properly, which is very much essential to give your expression or what you feel to the other listener or to the other characters. You see the teacher, good morning and welcome everybody. After that, full stop is here. And you can see students also reply, yes, comma, teacher, full stop. So when you write a dialogue, you should use this kind of punctuation mark properly so that your dialogue will be more enjoyable, more understandable, and attractive. Here you see that students say, yes, comma, teacher, comma, we have, full stop. That means they got their new books. Teacher, colon, good. Teacher was really happy. An exclamatory sign is used here. Please remember to bring your English book every day, full stop. Okay, what pause sign? I don't know why the pause sign is here. Everybody is seeing that pause sign. Why the pause sign is here? I am seeing also the pause sign. I don't know why it's here. You are right, Baba. I'm seeing the pause sign here also. Why it is here? Give a refresh. Means it's blurry also. No, not blurry. It's not assalamu alaikum. No, it's also in mine. It's not blurry. But some of you don't have, but I don't have it. Okay, I think the network circulation of network will be problematic, I think. Okay, okay. So teacher said good. Please remember to bring your English book every day, and speak English with me and with your classmates. That is very important. As you are in English version school student, you should speak in English every time, each and every time. You should make a routine in your daily routine that daily routine that at least 10 minutes or 20 minutes you will talk in English with your family members, with your friends, with your classmates. Make a habit of that. Then you will see that is nothing big deal. It is okay to speak in English. Okay. So now, after reading the dialogue, I am going to read the conversation and act it out in pairs. Discuss the question with your partners. If you are in English, if you are in school, we can play that act with a good mood, with an enjoyable pattern. Okay. Now, see, do you speak English? We are going to exercise C. English for today is very easy for you, I know, but sometimes you ignore this book. You should not ignore English for today. You should read English for today while the class is going on, and after, when we give any homework or lesson to read out, you should read out. As last year you see that from government, most of the in English first paper, most of the assignment came from English for today. The exercises, the conversation or the dialogue, whatever, all the things come from English for today. So you should make it familiar. We don't know, maybe another assignment will give from the government, so we have to do that one also. So make a very much familiar with it. You must read English for today minutely. Okay, you have other guidebook from where you practice model question side by side. We will practice that one also, but we will do English for today as well, very religiously and seriously. Now, lesson exercise C. Now, answer these questions. Do you speak English with your teacher? If you do, when and how often? Yes, in our school, our boys and girls are very much smart and enthusiastic to speak in English always. Okay, very often. It's not like that you stop and sometimes speak in Bangla. Not like that. Paused. It is paused. It is not paused. I am discussing. Are you listening my voice? Are you listening my voice? Miss, I tried to speak in a few words. Okay. Okay. Unfortunately, nobody repeat. No one understood anything I said. It will be okay. Acha, join the class. No, no, miss, not paused. Okay. One of the student wrote pause, so I was in confused to see the dialogue, to see the comments. Is that pause? It's okay. Minara said it's okay. So why are you talking then? Yes, you make the teacher confused. Yes, not paused. Oh my God, I was confused to read, mm, no, no more, means not pause. No, it's not pause. Yes, not pause. Everything is okay. Why the students wrote this kind of comment and make the teacher confused while this class is going on very nicely? Anyway, do you speak English with your friends and classmates? How often? You should write that. Yes, we read. We speak in English every time when we get chances to express our feelings. Number three, if you speak English outside the class, where do you speak it? Hey, can you? Me, it's not pause. Thank you, bye bye, everybody. I got the answer. Now, three number answer. Can you give me the answer? If you speak English outside the class, where do you speak it? Yes, miss, we are listening. Thank you. No, it's not paused, miss. Not paused. Okay. Thank you. Now, can you tell me, though the FB Live go broadcast little bit late, as I'm fast, but the broadcast reached to your device after 2 minutes maybe. So please answer the three number question. We are listening, miss. Everything is okay. Thank you, Nobo. I am always tell Nobo Naba. Nobo N-O-B-A. Nobo. Okay, but the screen is paused. It, yeah, a pause, kind of pause sign is showing over there. Acha, you don't need to see the screen. You have book. I told you, please stay the class or join the class with English for today. Okay, one of the answer is that those who are seeing this, I think they have a network problem. I have also network problem. Everything is super clear. Thank you, Fatia. You are a super girl. Fatia is very close to me. Okay, Fatia. I speak English outside the class with my siblings and my friends. Good. I can see it too, though. When I communicate with my friends, yes. Some of you give the answer number three. Very good. With my family or my cousins. Miss, your voice is okay and the live video is also okay. Nothing is put. Thank you, Roxana. Thank you very much. You are so kind. Anyway, three number answer I got. Three of you give the answer. They you speak English outside of the class with your friends and family members. I speak in English outside the class with my siblings. Only siblings, Baba. Not with your friends. You try to speak in English always. That will be more. And now you have enough time to practice, isn't it? Number four, do you watch English programs on TV? What programs do you watch? That is a good thing. When the more you watch the English program, English cartoon, the more easier will be to speak in English, with my siblings and family. Yes, everything okay. Thank you, Salma. So kind of you. Do you watch English program? Now give me the answer. Do you watch an English program on TV? What program do you watch? I speak now outside the class with my friends. Good. Miss, we speak English with the friends. Miss, I watch English movie. Okay. I speak English with my friends and family. Girls are very close to you, not boys. Minara Begum, why you tell like that? Everybody is my boy and girl. They are my child. They are my child, all sorts. Okay, now you did not write that what kind of English program you watch. I watch English news, very good. Unaisha, sometimes and sometimes on YouTube. Yes, miss, a lot. Archana Paul. Yes, miss. Okay. English program, English cartoon, animation film, very good. The more you watch English animated cartoon and the program on the story with moral lesson, you will learn English more easily and correctly. Now, unit 2, lesson 2, we will go outside school. Outside school, what we will do, listen and read these short conversation. See that Fahim said, can I borrow a pen? Fahim said, can I borrow your pen, please? Tamin said, okay. Tamim said, yes, of course you can. Here you are. Number 2, Radif, could you please help me with my maths? এটা কি যাচ্ছে না নাকি? যাচ্ছে, অনেক স্লো, অনেক স্লো। Okay. Radif, could you please help me with my maths? Radif. Rahim said, sorry, I cannot. I'm not good at maths. Sister, would you turn the television off? I am doing my homework. Brother, sorry, I did not notice that. Please go on with your studies. Here, from this lesson, you will learn how to communicate with others, how to ask the question and how to reply that questions. Okay. So you see that, can I borrow your pen, please? Tamim replied that yes, of course you can. Here you are. And then Radif replied, could you please help me with my maths? Rahim replied, sorry, I can't. I'm not good at math. Okay. Sister, would you turn, see that would, can, could, these words are used. Okay, okay, you watch so many things. Now stop and focus on the class, Baba. Okay, exaggerate anything, any matter. Yeah, exaggeration is happening here now because people love to see the movie. Okay, now see that how you ask the question, could, would, can, isn't. Okay, Wimpy Kid, Nusrat, stop now. Okay, now how can you ask the question? You will do that things. Now can, could, would. Rohim, sorry, I cannot. I'm not good at maths. Then sister ask another dialogue. Is that, would you turn the television off? I'm doing my homework. Brother, sorry, I did not notice. Please go on with your studies. Now, here you will do, you will fill in the blanks, exercise B. Dash you lend me your English book for a day. Here you can do, how can I do this comments? How can I write the comments? Oh my god. No, no, come, come, come. চলে গেছে, চলে গেছে। Okay. So here I can write, can you lend me? Yes, can you lend me your English book for a day? Sorry, I cannot. Here you can write, can't. I can't. Sorry, I can't. I need to read it tonight. Okay. Yes, good boys and girls. Carry on. Very good. Sorry, could you give me taka 50? Sorry, I could not. I couldn't. Then can you give me? Yeah, can you? Of course, I can. Can you give me? Can you give me? Yes, of course. You can write here, of course. Of course, I can. In that way, you can do. Could you get me a notebook and ball pen? Here, you can do in that way. Can you get me a notebook? Of course, here can. Yes, of course, I can. I can. Okay. Then can you put my box in the car, please? Yes, I can. I will. Yes, of course. Here it will come, of course. Of course. So in that way, you can do the exercise. So here, exercise C, you will say that you want someone to help you with the washing. So you want someone to help you with the washing? Can you? So you can write the question in that way. Can you? So here, can you? Can you wash my cloth? My cloth. Can you wash? Can you wash my cloth? You want someone to give you change for a 100 taka note. So you want someone. You want someone to give you. So could you give me, or can you give me a change? In that way, you can make a question. You want someone to wait a minute. Can you wait a minute for me, or can you wait? Can you wait a minute? Can you wait a minute? Why minute is going over there? Wait a minute. Can you wait a minute for me? For me. In that way, you make the question. You want someone to call you a rickshaw. Can you call a rickshaw for me? In that way, you can do the exercise. Okay. In that way, you can do the exercise. Now, uh, lesson we finish lesson 2. Lesson 3, in the house. Lesson 3, in the house. Yes, can you give the change? Yes, you can. Yeah. Can you help me carry my bag? Yes, correct. Lesson 3, we will do lesson 3 now. And keywords is mop. Sometimes mop will be used as verb. Sometimes mop will be used as noun. Mop, we know that mop that we do in our house now. And mop is sometimes mopping. That is verb. Detergent means powder, wheel powder, surf excel. These are the detergent powder that you use in your house nowadays for cleaning. And very important nowadays for COVID-19 to use detergent and the hand wash and other sanitizer. Sabbir Hossein, could you call a rickshaw for me? Yes, correct. Correct. Batul G3, she Sayyeda Taha Batul. Yes, she is my class. Okay, so you are very much attentive for doing the class. So we are progressing our class also. So you should attend the class seriously. As class 7, you got your books. Many of the class did not get the book yet. So you are so lucky. Now, lesson 3, exercise A. You see a conversation, a dialogue. From there, you should get your idea more clear that how a dialogue can be, how you write the dialogue. You see that here, here you see, Baba, that the colon, all the colon are in the same straight line. See that same straight line, all the colon. So you have to be more clear that um, that colon should be in a straight line. Okay, there should be. I am mopping the floor with the mop. Yes, miss. Yeah. So this colon should be in a straight line, so that the dialogue should be good and correct. Okay, mother, Reza, comma. See that punctuation mark is here. In the at the beginning of the class, I told that what you learn from this unit, you will learn punctuation also, comma, full stop, semicolon, where you will stop, where you will start. These things you will learn from this unit. So these are the reflection of the thing, that mother colon Reza, will you come here, comma, please, will you come here, please. So after will you come here, there's a comma, so you will stop here 1 second, so that the expression should be clear. The mother is asking the boy very seriously, Reza, will you come here, please. Reza, yes, mom. Full stop. Mother, look, full stop. The kitchen is very untidy. I want to make it neat and tidy. Neat and tidy. Would you give me a hand? Here is also a question. Would you give me a hand? Yeah. Miss, when will our other subject class start? There are only 3 subject classes going on. Baba, another class is going on. Why you asking such kind of question, Baba? You can ask to your class teacher, or you can ask in the group also. So our coordinator can answer that. This is a class is going on. Okay. I will other class will start very soon. Wheel powder. Okay. So come to the point, Baba. Who's that? Khairul Samim. Shamim. Khairul Samim, focus on the class. Focus on the class. These classes are also important. You are progressing all these 3 subjects. You will be masters in these 3 subjects. So the other subject will become easier for you, because 3 subjects pressure will be reduced, isn't it? When all the subjects class will start, that time you will be relaxed, because maths, English and Bangla will be very much comfortable for you. Keep your textbook open to understand the book. Yes, sir, I told them to bring English for today. I don't know why pause sign is there. My one also pause sign is there. Maybe there's some technical problem, but the screen is going smoothly. They can see that one also. Detergent powders. Okay. Now see that here. Would you give me a hand, Reza? Sure, mother. Could you take the pots and plates from the table and put them in the cupboard? Reza, okay. Mother, first I will. See that I will, after I, there's a comma over there, then double L. This is a kind of punctuation style, so observe that thing also. First I will sweep the floor. Will you bring me a broom, comma, then please. Reza, here it is, full stop. Mother, thank you. Now I am going to mop the floor, full stop. Could you get me a mop and bucket and some detergent? Say that, very relevant nowadays. The topic is very relevant to the situation. Yes, Baba, school will open, inshallah. Okay. Mother is cleaning the kitchen and the boy is helping him. Nowadays, this situation is very much relevant because we don't have any housekeeper. We have to do all the work by ourselves because of this pandemic situation. So, you should learn from your textbook also. Reza, no problem, full stop. Here they are. Mother, thanks, comma. Then full stop, dear, full stop. Reza, welcome. So act out the dialogue. This is very nice. You can act out when our school will open. We will do these things, inshallah. So here is the question. I think this is the last one of the exercise you can do. C number question. We completed that dialogue, and after that we will do this one. C. Match the sentence in column A. Okay. C. Match the sentences in column A with suitable answers in column B. Some answer in B may match more than one questions. Okay. So you will match with A. You will match A with B. Okay. Yes. Would you read the shopping? Would you read the shopping list? What can be the answer? Who can tell? Yes, I will. I will. I will can be. My God. Yes. Bhai, tumi to. Boys and girls, please focus on the class, Baba. You are talking some irrelevant which is not related to the class. So A will go to D. Okay, would you read the shopping list? Yes, I will. Or I would. Is there any I would here? Yes, I would love to. That thing also correct. F also correct. Okay. Will you go to the market, please? Will you go to the market with 2? D can go. Yes, I will. Yes. 1 F is correct and 2 D is correct. Number 3. Will you buy me 1 liter of cooking oil, please? Sorry, I cannot. I have left my glasses in the no, not that things. 3 number. Yes, correct. 2E. 2. Sorry, I cannot. I have left glasses in the study. No. For 2E is not correct. 1D is correct. Okay. F is also correct. Number 3. Will you buy me 1 liter of cooking oil, please? Will you buy? Okay. How much? For C. Okay. How will you buy me? 1 liter of cooking oil. 3 number. What for is also correct. What for can go, but with certainly I will do it. It is also correct. A. 3A. Yes, 3A also correct. And 4 number. Would you buy me some rice? Yes. Okay. How much? For 4, H is correct. Okay. How much? How much? Then how much rice he will buy? 4H is correct. 5. Would you need some money? Would you need some money? Yes. What will be? Would you need some money? C number. Would you need some money? Five will be C. Five will be C. 4H, yes, correct. Five will be C. And six, yes, six will be what? Would you like some tea? Yes, T. Six for F. F, six. F is correct. Six, would you like some tea? Yes, I love to. Yes, I love to. Now, seven, will you switch on the TV, please? Will you? Yes, I will. That can be also correct. Yes, I will be. Will you switch on TV? D also correct. Would you tell her to watch TV at TN? What for? That will be here. G. 8 number G is correct. 8 number G is correct. For 8, G is correct. Yes, 7B. Sadman Taha, correct. Soida Roxana. 7B. Yeah, why Rina is watching? Yeah, it can be. Would you tell her to watch TV at 10 p.m.? Okay, what for? 8G is correct. Yes, 8G is more correct. Now, boys and girls, other lesson these are for CD. Though lesson 4 in the street, if you read, you can learn how to give the instruction. This is the last lesson of the unit. Let's start. Asif, excuse me. Could you tell me the way to the railway station? Comma, please. Passerby. Oh, it's not far, very far. Go along this street and you will come to a big crossroads. Turn left. Go along about 200 meters, comma, and you will see a tall building, full stop. Okay, go past and the station is on the right. How nicely the instruction is given. Okay, you will see that. Then Asif said, go along, come to crossroads, turn left, go about 200 meters, tall building, then station on the right. Okay, so Asif make a summary of the instruction. Okay, Asif make a summary of the station. He just picked up the main things. Go along, come to crossroad, turn left, go about 200 years, which are money. That is the main point. How to reach a particular place. Okay, go about 200 meters. Then if he go to 200 meters, then he will see tall building, then station on the right. Then he thanks. The passerby said it's okay. So this is the instruction and there's a map over there. And if you see, you can write the instruction by your own. Students, you are talking too much, Baba. Okay. And after that, what we have, these are all CD. So in these questions you have to do. Then lesson 5 you have to do by listening the CD. Acha, that is the homework. Lesson 5 you can do. Lesson 5 you can do as homework. By lesson 5 you can do as homework, Baba. By seeing the picture you can write the question. Okay. By seeing the question, that what is it, it is a bookshop where you can find it. We can find it any shopping, any stationery place, or any market or nearby house, anywhere you can find it. Is there a bookshop near your house or school? Yes, we can see the bookshop in a school or in a market. Ah, any town. So, is there any bookshop near your house or school in your Upazila town? Yeah, tell us about it. So, you can describe the bookshop. You can describe. Can you guess what the people in the picture talking about? You can imagine what they talk about. And you can write. Parihan, thank you. Nice to see you here. Okay, Miss Alhamdulillah or B. Arik Noor. I have many bookshops near my house. Very good. Fatiha Yaman. Acha Arik, what kind of question you are asking? I don't understand. Can you guess what the people in the picture are talking about? So you can guess by your own creativity. You can write. You can describe the picture and post it in the group. I will see that one. How much, yeah, how creatively you can write. Okay, Miss. What about lesson 4? Lesson 4 is not important, Baba. That is from CD, I think. Yeah, CD. Lesson 4 ki ache? Yeah, that is the instruction. Lesson 4 you don't need to do. You can do that. Lesson 5 picture description. Write the answer of these questions. Write the answer of these questions and describe the picture. Describe the picture. Okay. That is enough for today. A lesson 5, listening test 1, these things you don't need now. Lesson 6 also you don't need, because you need CD, and there is no CD with the book. And after that unit 2 we will go my study guide, indigenous people of the Chittagong Hill Tracts of Bangladesh, English grammar. These things we will read for the next class, but before that you will do this one and post it in the group. Yeah, you can write it as a dialogue also, no problem. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you very much, all the students, and thank you, respected sirs, to join the class. I'm signing off, Samina Shagufta. See you in the next class, discussing on the rules of preposition. My next class is on Thursday morning, 11. So that time we will discuss the rules of preposition, inshallah. Up to that, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.